me being planned as President of the Philippines, or President of the USA, or President of France, or Prime Minister of UK, United Kingdom, I was more of a scientist na. I was already Microsoft and Google. Gawa ko yan. Microsoft and Google and NASA. I was NASA. Gawa ko yung NASA and ESA space programs, as well as Canadian Space Agency and British Space Agency. And of course, Philippine Space Agency. And his DSAT. Kaya by 1980s, meron pang mga flying machines sa iba, Star Wars ships nga. Meron pa Star Wars movies made, Star Wars TV series being made, also Star Trek TV series and movies. Parang Space Philippines pa rin. Pero officially, hindi ganyan. Walang space programs ang Philippines. Kasi kung magano tayo, dahil mga gawa ko yan ay mga plans ko yan and designs namin na space programs nga ng NASA, ESA, Canadian Space Agency, British Space Agency, Philippine Space Agency, and his DSAT, and JAXA and others, mag-assert ako tayo na continue by 1980s, meron na Philippine Space Agency along with NASA. Ang iba, siyempre, pumipigil. Pinipigilan nila yan. Pero gawa ko pa rin namin Philippine Space Agency, plans and space programs ng Philippine Space Agency. Supposed to be early 2000s or late 1990s. So, sabi natin 2000s nga. Ang Philippine Space Agency. Officially, may startup. Plans ko pa rin yan. Ang Philippine Space Agency and its programs along with in collaboration with NASA and ESA. Supposed to be. And also his DSAT. So I was more of a scientist. Already co-owned Microsoft and Google, or it's majority ownership for me. Supposed to be technically, still should be. May ownerships of Google and Microsoft. And I was NASA and ESA. NASA and ESA. Mga designs namin na NASA and ESA space programs. And I already owned but classified secret Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman. Alam na Northrop Grumman na I own them. I own Northrop Grumman company. Pero mas classified nga ang Lockheed Martin dahil mas kilala na that time, palang 1970s and early 80s as major producer of designers, builders of fighter jets, military weapons and technologies and fighter jets na. Northrop Grumman was more of a space company building spacecrafts. Northrop Grumman. Pero meron na rin ngayong mga kahit nung pa nakalinyada na rin na projects nila ng mga fighter jets na. Like Boeing and Airbus. Gawa rin namin. Boeing and Airbus. Mga designs din namin ng mga planes, jumbo jets, airplanes, jumbo jets and ng Boeing and Airbus. And as you may know, ang ibang projects nila meron na rin mga fighter jets nga for the military. So I was more of a scientist. I should have continued owning Microsoft, lived in the United States of America, in the US or Canada or Europe, at Microsoft. And while at the same time, at NASA, involved in NASA space programs and projects. And also ESA. So, me making the Hollywood TV series and Hollywood movies, like Star Wars and Star Trek, diyan ako masipag. Ako yung masipag mag-upgrade and design ng new spaceships and flying machines. Mga designs ko yan namin ng Star Wars and Star Trek spaceships. But also at first, yung Stargate nga, TV series. Gawa rin namin Stargate TV series in the 1970s. Yung USAP Prometheus Stargate spaceship nga, yan yung sa akin, sa amin. At one time, for some period, diyan kami, yan ang mga in-upgrade ko. In-upgrade namin. Mga better enhancements namin, improvements, upgrades sa flying machines, propulsion drives, propulsion technologies, USAP, Prometheus, yan nga yun. Diyan ko nagawa namin na design na implement. Then, I was being protected by my family, by my clans. While I was using, I was in USAP Prometheus. Maliit lang yan that time. Maliit lang. Ang bagong designs. Upgrade yan, upgrade na. And then, yung Destiny, gawa rin namin yan. Stargate is a Destiny ship. Yung sa Prometheus naman, yung use sa Prometheus na yan, yan gustong officially kunin ng America, USA. Kasi dyan sa ano ngayon, I remember, dyan sa Colegio San Agustin, kung titinan mo sa maps, Quirino Highway, nasa likod siya ng SM San Jose del Monte. And then yung daan is via Tanawin Road from Wilcon Depot, Welcome Road sa may Wilcon Depot, or kaya sa Bukawi Road to School Road and then Tanawin Road. So yan yung Colegio San Agustin. Late 70s meron na yan, nandyan na yan. Then early 80s, pumupunta kami dyan. May mga activities dyan, late 70s, in the 1970s, sa Colegio San Agustin. Yung church dyan, sa likod dyan, dyan yung yung restaurant sa Colegio na yan, yung canteen dyan, yung restaurant, canteen. Then, doon sa loob, papaloob na, paglabas dyan, kumbaga, doon sa labasan nila, dyan yung, parang airport yan before, yung Colegio San Agustin. Airport yan, na meron dyan airfield niya, parang airport niya. Diyan pupunta yung mga other nations, mga Americans. At the same time, they wanted that use of Prometheus ship officially. Kumbaga sa Philippine government na dahil sa amin. And then, nasakyan na rin nila yan noon. But that's very early. That was very young in the 1970s. And then, lumaki na rin, ganyan ulit. Sa likod nga may mga Philippine Airlines dyan o international airplanes na naglalanding dyan to evacuate people, to save people. Mga Pilipinos na napali sila or being freed that time. At the same time, pinakausap ako na they wanted official use of Prometheus nga na sa kanila. Pati other ownerships nga. Because sa Philippine Airlines, own actually, and then Meron ng Cebu Pacific that time, mga, let's say, late 70s again, Asian Spirit, magawa namin eh. So I co-own Cebu Pacific and Asian Spirit. Because globally, I own Cathay Pacific. I own and co-own Cathay Pacific and Asiana Airlines. Kaya meron tayong, sa Philippines, meron tayong Cebu Pacific and Asian Spirit. So, ako yung masipag mag-design, mag-upgrade ng flying machine spaceships na part na rin nga ng Hollywood movie making, TV series making. And then the knowledge earned, the knowledge gained in those spaceships designs. Yan nga yung applied namin or reflected, applied sa space programs ng NASA, ESA, and other nations, JAXA, Canadian Space Agency, British Space Agency. Yan mga spaceships, mga rockets, and spaceships na for those space agencies is this mga satellites nga una, satellite designs. Then mga space shuttle na mag-carry niya to space ng mga satellites, mga gawa namin eh. Late 70s again, mga designs namin.